Grace is all around us. When we come into oneness, the very source of life, we begin to see this grace everywhere. Awareness, God, is like the source of the sun, and all the infinite appearances of the universe are like the rays of the sun. Nothing to accept or reject, for all are light in essence, the source and its rays. As we relax out of the narrow, focused, fixated mind's total preoccupation with appearances, we begin to realize the ground out of which all these appearances arise. That which was completely overlooked has now come to the fore, and we settle in to the very heart essence, the ground of being. By coming home to the source of the sun and the rays as one, we come back to a place of profound gratitude that wells up from deep within, and we begin to see all the infinite appearances of the universe as the expression of awareness, the display of God. Appearance and emptiness, the whole picture in every moment, taking it all in, not grasping or pushing away, but simply in awe of this pure light. And it's then we experience from deep within the fathomless depths of our very being that all is well and all is working out for the greater good. Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "I wake up 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live fully in each and every moment." Just the sound, the feel of the gravel as it crunches underneath your shoes on a beautiful midday walk on a forest trail. The radiant glow of the moon on a frozen winter night, illuminating the entire world on which you stand. As frost touches your cheeks and clouds of mist escape your lungs with every breath and every shiver. The wind, as it whistles through the trees on a calm summer night, making the leaves quiver and flicker. The sparkling, glittering sunlight as it dances across the surface of water. An insect as it floats past your periphery, landing on a beautiful flower, pollinating. This is all relative grace, the rays of the sun, all the appearances we see, hear, touch, taste, smell, all the expressions, so much beauty all around. And then through unconditional surrender, ultimate grace is actualized, the source of the sun. And as the apparent division of source and ray dissolves into pure light, we now look upon life with the eyes of compassion and appreciation, and we live with the heart of gratitude and grace. Let light guide you home to the heart of grace.